Alright everyone, welcome back to MSD. Remember the last video we did, we had some parts laid out that we was going to do a modification to the mill. I'll show you what we end up doing, and you guys that was commenting, trying to guess what it was, I'll show you what it was and we turn you around here. It's a lubrication system for the railing and the chain. It drips on the chain and drips on the rail. And I got a dripper hooked up here. You can see it dripping in there, starting to fill the tubes up. We're going to adjust it, how much we want to drip. And this is going to lubricate the top rail and the chain. And probably enough to drip down on the top rail is going to run down to the bottom rail. So we can speed it up how much we want the flow, and we can slow it down, or we can kick it off with no flow. If everything works out great, we're going to this is temporary plastic line, 1/4 inch plastic line. If everything works out great on it, it does good, we're going to hard line it all. And if we hard line it all, I'll show you what it ends up in the end. We thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a great day.